Hey, we are in week 9 of our school year, which means we're almost done with trimester 1. Wow, I can't believe how fast the time has gone. All right, well, let's look at math minute number 33. It's going to start us off this week. Circle the amount that is larger, 2 months or 10 weeks. 2 months by and large is about 4 weeks each month, and so 8 weeks, possibly 9 if you combine the tail ends of each month, but ultimately 10 weeks is going to be larger. 9 quarters, which last I checked was $2.25 or $2. So in this case, it's 9 quarters. Then we have 4 feet or 50 inches. Well, 4 feet is 4 times 12 inches, so that's 48 inches. And then we have 50 inches, so it's 50 inches. Whenever you have two things that seem really unlike, you definitely need to change one of the two into something that makes them similar or comparable. So in this case, we had feet and we had inches. So I switched feet into inches because I felt like that was the easier conversion than converting inches back into feet when I knew I had something that was not a multiple of 12. But again, I am ultimately comparing 4 feet and 50 inches, and I know that 4 feet is smaller than 50 inches. Triangle number 1, if we look at this whole square, triangle number 1 is A, 1/2 of the size of the square. Triangle number 2, if this is 1/2 and then this is 1/2, both 2 and 3 are going to be 1/4 of this square. How do I know it's 1/4 when there are only 3 parts? Well, let's pretend I split this other half in half. Now I would have 4 equal parts, and this would mean that this is one of the 4 equal parts. Number 6, Sally says the perimeter of the rectangle is 22. Desiree says that it is 18. Who is correct? Well, perimeter we add together. So by definition of a rectangle, if this side is 2, this side is also 2. And again, by definition of a rectangle, if this side is 9, this side is also 9. So I can do 9 plus 9, which is 18, plus 2 is 20, plus 2 is 22. Or, so let's talk about the different strategies I can use. I can do 9 plus 9 plus 2 plus 2. Or you'll notice that I could do 2 times 9 plus 2 times 2, which still give me 22. Or I could have done 9 plus 2 times 2. So I could have done this side, which is 11, multiplied it by the other sides, which would be 2 times the 9 plus 2, and I still would have gotten 22. So Sally is correct. It is 22. Number 7, which shape has the greater area, the triangle or the square? And in this case, it's going to be the triangle because the triangle is larger than the square. Number 8, again, we're substituting. 36 minus 24, D minus A, which is D is 36, A is 24, so 36 minus 24 is going to be 12. Let me just double check my math there. 24 plus 2 is 26, plus 10 is 36. All right. Then we have C plus 8 divided by 5. So C is 32, so this is 32 plus 8 divided by 5. Remember that a division sign acts as a grouping symbol. So all of this up top has to go before anything else. So what I really have here is 40 divided by 5, and 40 divided by 5 is 8. And last but not least, if the pattern continues, what would be the value of the letter E? So 24, 28, 32, 36. So we're looking for a pattern here. And in each successive step, we're just adding 4 more. So if I add 4 more to 36, I'll have 36 plus 4. I'm going to have 40. All right, that was a fast math minute for today. Have a great Monday, guys.